What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new here or you're just stumbling upon my channel and you love fashion and home decor like me, then please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today, I'm bringing you guys a how to style your fall decor pieces in your home. So keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright, that was a little bit of a long title. I'm sure by now you guys have probably seen the title and it's not going to be that long. But anyways, you guys love to see my haul videos, specifically my fall haul videos. I noticed you guys absolutely love those. And so I thought, why not share with you guys how I style my fall decor pieces? Maybe you could take some inspiration from my video and add it to your home. I really want to help you guys out on how to use minimalist pieces, you know, not too crazy, but make it look very elegant and luxury and chic and just everything that my home is all about. So let's jump in. Right here, you guys will see the first piece I'm going to be talking about. It is my white pumpkin that I picked up from Target. I love this. I actually decided to put candy in it, but I saw that online it is used for soup. So you guys can pretty much do whatever you want with it. I love how it looks, very minimalist, and it's white. You guys know that I always use white pieces throughout my home. Next to my pumpkin, I have a little picture frame that I picked up from Amazon, which I will be linking down below. So make sure you guys check out the description box. All of these items will be linked. You guys can see that I have some pictures already in my frame that we took at the pumpkin patch when we went with some family and friends. We had so much fun. I love going to the pumpkin patch, and I still need to insert a couple more pieces. To the side of my picture frame, you guys will see that I have a cutting board, my, spoon utensils for when I'm cooking, my oil dispenser. These pieces are all from Homegoods. Well, except for the cutting board, I got that at Target for very inexpensive. I mentioned it in my last video, but again, I'll be linking it down below. So pretty much what I did here is just style my corner. I know a lot of us have trouble with styling corners, so adding a picture frame, a coffee table book. Oh, I do have a coffee table book there as well. You guys can see it was actually a cooking book, not a coffee table book. It's a cooking book, which I absolutely love to keep around for those days where I'm feeling extra, in the mood to cook and just, try out some new recipes. And I really feel that it's not too cluttered. It's very minimalist, but yet very aesthetic and pleasing to see in your kitchen. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Okay, now moving on, you guys will see that I have my Nespresso machine, and to each side of my Nespresso machine, I have these organizers that I picked up from Target. I absolutely love these. I think I've talked about these in multiple videos already. I feel like bringing in wood for fall is a perfect way to decorate. I really think that wood makes it, makes your place feel cozy. And when I think of wood, I think of obviously, the forest and the cabin, and just bringing in pieces of wood decor for fall time is just key to really bringing in that vibe. And I thought that these glass organizers with the wood top just nailed it for me. I love them. Honestly, guys, I think I'm going to keep them all year round here in my kitchen. I will definitely show you guys other ones that I have when I share my kitchen tour with you guys. I picked up some other ones very similar on Amazon, but these right here, I have them out on display and I absolutely love them. You guys can see that I have the bigger one as well with my ultimate favorite cookies to have on display. Yes, I use cookies on display this time of year. It is the carrot cake cream cheese Oreo cookies. Oh my god, I love these. I mean, look at how cute they look in this glass organizer. And of course, I love to eat them. So yeah, I mentioned in my stories that I got my inspiration from Khloe Kardashian, and the thing is that she probably doesn't eat her cookies, but I do. So I gotta go pick up some more. And I absolutely just love how it looks. It's very fall. These cookies are very fall-ish, I guess you could say. And I just loved how it turned out here in my kitchen. And like I said, I'm gonna go pick up some more. Also, you guys can see that I have my kitchen shelves right above my sink. So On my shelves, you guys can see that I added a lot of wood accents as well. Like I mentioned earlier, I love to bring in the wood for this time of year and just pretty much all throughout, all year round. But mostly for this time of year, I like to buy a lot of wood accent pieces. You guys can see that I have my little tiny bowls that I picked up from World Market. And I also have my eucalyptus faux plant, which I absolutely love in my West Elm vase. But I will get more into detail with these kitchen shelves when I do my kitchen tour for you guys. I just really want to show you guys the fall pieces that I added, which is this really cute little teapot that I got from Homegoods. It has the leaves. It's so cute. I love it, and it's white. Again, I love me some white accent pieces as well. And then this candle from Bath & Body Works, it is called Gather. If you guys love Bath & Body Works like me, you have to pick up this candle. It is a very warm vanilla scent. Again, you can choose to put a fall candle, a pumpkin candle, leaves candle, whatever you like. But this right here actually smells like fall to me. It is like a vanilla, and it almost kind of smells like harvest as well. I don't know. I love it. It's one of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works. So I highly recommend you guys pick that candle up for yourself. All right, and moving on to my dining area, you guys will see that I have my runner, which I just picked up from Target. I absolutely love this runner. I feel like putting, again, a wooden bowl on top of it just ties in all of the fall vibes that I'm going for here in my home. And I felt like the runner alone, it's just very minimalist, yet I love how it just looks very stylish at the same time. I don't have to add anything crazy to my dining table if I don't want to. But again, come for Thanksgiving, I might be adding a little bit more here and there, so definitely stay tuned for that. But this runner, I highly, highly recommend it. I absolutely love it, and it looks beautiful in my dining area. And moving on to my bathroom, I have talked about these cute little pumpkins in my last Target haul video. Do you guys see how I put them in my restroom? And I just put a very relaxing candle in the middle, and I love how it looks when I come in my bathroom and I have these two little pumpkins and my candle lidded. It still gives me those fall vibes in my restroom. These little pumpkins, I can actually choose to put them anywhere that I like, which is what I love. But I love them here, and I felt like they really just added the fall vibe to my bedroom / master bathroom, because I don't really have much in my bedroom, but I love this. But speaking of my bedroom, here are my beautiful Pampers, which you guys have seen as well. Look at this vase, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got this vase from Pottery Barn the other day, and I am obsessed. I shared a story with you guys on my Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I will always link it down below. And my pampas grass. Pampas grass is key to fall decor, okay? You guys want to make sure you incorporate some type of pampas grass anywhere in your home. It is just the epitome of fall, just like pumpkins. I love pampas grass. You can find them everywhere and anywhere. I mean, these right here, my husband actually got them for me for $3.99. He got them in a field, and I just shed them. I hairsprayed them so they don't shed as much, and I love them. I absolutely love them. I always get tons of questions on these pampas grass, and what I love is that I can choose to take these from my bedroom, put them in a corner, put them in my dining area, and it just looks stunning. I love them. Last but certainly not least, I actually decided to change my island decor for this time of year to add some pumpkins. Wooden pumpkin. I had to have it. I found this one at HomeGoods, and it is perfect on my island, and I just paired it with a little cute candle that I also got from HomeGoods. It is just a non-scented white pumpkin. The white and the wood is what my home is all about when it comes to fall. I absolutely love it, and I decided to put them on top of my Vogue coffee table book, which I mentioned to you guys that I also got from HomeGoods. I just removed the cover, and I placed the pumpkins on top, and then this black, like, I guess you could say it's not a basket, I guess a wooden tray kind of thing. Again, I love it. It really goes well with my dining table, and it just blends perfect together. I decided to put this piece on my island. This is probably the most that my island will look for fall-ish. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else. If anything, I will probably add like some faux plants. That's pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna change it up all through the month. I really like the way that it looks just like that, very minimalist yet fall, so I'm really happy with the way that turned out. All right, guys, and that pretty much completes a lot of the fall pieces that I've purchased that I've been decorating here, decorating throughout my home. I'm really happy with every piece I purchased. Remember, guys, you don't have to go all crazy when it comes to your fall decor. You don't have to buy a million pumpkins. You don't have to buy so much, knickknacks. Just the right pieces can really bring those fall vibes to your home. Keep it minimalist, guys, but keep it stylish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to keep sharing with you guys how to style your pieces, or pretty much the pieces that I pick up for my home. I would love to know if you guys would love to see more videos like this on how I style them, and maybe you get some inspiration for your home. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favorite fall piece is in your home right now. Are you crazy about pumpkins during this time of year? Do you go crazy with the candles? Do you go crazy with, the wood? What do you have in your home? Let me know down below. Also, big news, guys. I finally put together my Amazon storefront. So I wanted to make it really easy for you guys to shop my Amazon pieces. I will link it down in the description box and make sure you guys check that out. Also, please keep in mind that all of the pieces that I'm sharing on my Amazon storefront are pieces that I personally own, so I can highly recommend them to you. I would never just insert pieces that I don't have or that I've never tried them out personally. I really want you guys to get only the best. Stay safe, guys. I'll catch you guys all on my next video. You don't want to miss it. It is episode 3 of my home tour series. I'm finally going to be sharing with you guys my bedroom tour. I know it's been highly requested, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. I will be uploading it on Monday. I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye!